Hello writers, it's Gail here with another short video for you. This one I'm going to tell you a little bit about course announcements. The announcements I post in class are really important because they provide up-to-date information about what's expected and any possible changes I might have made. Very often I will use an announcement to post information about something that I see many people in class are struggling with, or I will give you an update about an assignment or remind you about something that is going to be due very soon. So reading announcements when they come in is an excellent idea and will help you succeed in the class. If you set your notifications to receive announcements by email, that's a really good step to make sure you don't miss any of the important information in announcements. You'll see at the top of our course homepage that the last two most recent announcements will always appear here at the top of the page. When there is a blue dot, it means I have not yet clicked into that announcement and read it. If there's no blue dot, it means I have already read that announcement. So that helps you keep track of which announcements you still need to read. The other thing to know about announcements is you can leave a comment in response to an announcement. So at the bottom, just like in a discussion, there is a reply box. If you want to leave a reply, maybe you want to ask a question, maybe you want to comment on something I have said in the announcement, maybe you want to ask for clarification, you can always leave a reply that will show up here, and I can respond to you or other people in class can respond to you. When you're on the home page, what you see here means that there are comments in response to this announcement. In this case, because there's a 0 here, it means I have read both of the comments that have been made. This announcement does not have any comments. That's why there are no numbers over here on the right. The other thing you can do is use the link over in our course menu to click into the announcements area. And in the announcements area, you will see all of the announcements that have been posted in class. And here I see, I have 2 announcements I have not yet read. So I need to make sure I get back into these and read them carefully so I don't miss any important information. There are certainly other ways in Canvas to read announcements and find them. For instance, they show up over here in the to-do list. They can also show up on your dashboard on the thumbnail image that you click into to get into our course. But the best way to see them is either to have an email sent to you as a notification or read them here from our homepage when you first come into the class each day. All right, thanks everyone, and that's what I have to share with you about announcements.